Do this to lose weight faster. I wish I had known it before. One of the most important things to lose weight is that our metabolism is perfectly. Otherwise it will not matter how many diets we make. If the metabolism does not accelerate, it will be very difficult to reach the goal set. Remember that a slow metabolism usually ends up being overweight. Fortunately, this is a solution, and in a very simple way. Everything has to do with the habits that we have in the day-to-day. So in this video we will introduce you to some habits to accelerate your metabolism and at the same time to lose weight. 1. Eat at set times. Our body is very intelligent. You want to receive food at certain times. That is why he spends all his energy knowing that he will soon receive a new portion of it. However, if you do not have a set schedule, the body will conserve energy instead of spending it because you will not be sure to receive a new portion. So eating every 3 or 4 hours will help your body use all the energy. 2. Take more water. Consuming enough fluid improves your metabolism. When your body is dehydrated, you burn less calories, because the main task of the liver in this case is to restore the fluid reserves in the body instead of burning fat. If you do not get used to drinking lots of water, drink tea. For example, green tea, which also hydrates the body to perfection. 3. Perform strength exercises. Any physical activity, whether running, walking, dancing or exercising on machines, helps you burn fat and improve metabolism. Strength exercises are the best at this task as they increase muscle growth, because muscles consume calories even when you do not exercise and rest. That's why the best way to speed up your metabolism is to exercise strength.